Joffrey Brett channel here. And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. And if this is your first time, welcome. Hopefully you'll like my videos, watch what I do when I cook, and subscribe. So today I'm going to make a delicious, healthy, simple, exciting breakfast. You're going to love this. Really simple ingredients. I'm going to just use eggs and some cheddar cheese, just a little bit of sour cream, milk, because I'm going to use mashed potatoes to make a waffle. That's right, mashed potatoes. But I've got to get the process started and explain what I do so that it will make sense of how we make all this come together. So stick around, let me show you what happens. So if you've been to my channel before, you know that I'm a food prepper. And prepping food is a great way to save money as well as easy when you're ready to cook. But today what I need to do to get started is we need to boil some potatoes to get some waffles made. So I got 10 pounds of potatoes on sale today for $2 for 10 pounds of potatoes. So we need to boil some so that I can make mashed potatoes to make a waffle out of mashed potatoes. I know it sounds confusing, but it's really simple. So let's get started first with boiling potatoes. My stove is turned on, and just gonna get the potatoes over there and let them start to boil. And as those are boiling, we'll start working with mashed potatoes that I already have some made together for you, and we'll start the waffle process. I'm going to get my waffle iron first plugged in so we can get that warmed up as I start making mashed potatoes. So let's plug the waffle iron in on this side of the counter as well, right here, and we'll get that warmed up. And while that's warming up, we're going to start making some mashed potatoes. So we'll plug in my food processor, there we go, and we'll get started. So I'm going to show you from scratch how I do this, but traditionally I have all of my potatoes already mashed and frozen pre-packaged in a vacuum sealed bag. My mashed potatoes, I always mash them with the peelings on because that's healthy for you. And I let these thaw, and then I proceed with making waffles out of them. But for today, we're going to do it from some that I already have cooked and ready to go. So I have 4 potatoes here, and I use my food processor instead of my blender or mixer when I make my mashed potatoes. It's just simpler of a mess. So I'm just going to cut these a little bit. I have 4 potatoes here. I'm just going to slice them up, which will make it easier when I put them in the food processor to break down and mash quicker. We're just going to slice these up. And again, I do it with the peelings on. The peeling has a lot of good minerals and vitamins in them, so they're healthy for you. We'll finish this up, get them in there. I have 4 potatoes here I'm going to work with to make my potato waffles. 3, and the last one here, which is still a little warm, which is number 4. And it goes. All right. Then what you're going to do is add the spices you want. Kevin and I both like spicy food, so these are the spices I use in my mashed potatoes, even when I make them as a waffle. So we're going to use some garlic powder, get that in there. A fair amount, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Then I'm going to put in some onion powder, again about 1/4 of a teaspoon, and it goes. I'm going to stick in some rosemary leaves. I don't know if you've ever tried them in mashed potatoes. I love the smell of rosemary. It also really gives your mashed potatoes a nice pop. So again, about 1/4 of a teaspoon of rosemary. I'm going to do some celery salt. About 1/4 of a teaspoon again. And we do chives. We like chives for, yes, flavor, but also for color. So let's get some chives in there. Boy, ooh, that smells good. Then we're going to put it in we're going to put in a tablespoon of butter. Right here, I cut a tablespoon's worth. I'm going to put it in there. And we're going to put in 1 egg. You don't have to use egg, let's don't. let's not use egg this time. Let's do it without. But you can use egg. And we're going to put in some milk to make my mashed potatoes. Let's close that up. And let's get these mashed. Alrighty. Let's put this on puree mix. It's gonna get a little loud. Now that we've got it mixed a little bit, let's now add an egg. So we're gonna put in 1 egg. And I'm going to add a half a cup of flour, or 50 or 100 milliliters. So let's get that in there. Now the egg and the flour is going to just kind of hold that potato together for us. And because we like flavor, I'm also going to put in some sour cream. I don't know if you've ever tried sour cream in a baked, or excuse me, you've had it in a baked potato, but I don't know if you've ever tried it in mashed potatoes. It's really good. So in goes the sour cream. I don't like to waste anything. I like sour cream. All right, let's get this blended. A little bit more milk, not much, but because we've added flour, we're gonna have to add a little moisture. So we're gonna add a little milk. There we go, about 1/4 cup. Close it up. And let's blend it. All right, turn it off. See what we got going on here. So now what we've done is we have made, of course, mashed potatoes. Simple to do. Again, I like to use my food processor. It's less of a mess than using a mixer. I have it contained right here, and I don't accidentally throw potatoes everywhere. Iron is heated up, and let's go ahead and get the potatoes put in there. So with your hot waffle iron, I have moved the potatoes into a bowl. We're gonna put some into the waffle iron and make us potato waffles. So the mashed potato just goes in, push it down, let it cook. That should take 3 to 5 minutes. So as that's cooking, my oil's hot, so let's get the egg in without the shell. There we go. Now you can do a fried egg, a poached egg, scrambled eggs, whatever you like. I'm gonna add a little water, cover it. That'll finish cooking the egg for me, and it keeps it soft without getting overcooked. It's kind of like poaching in a skillet. Turn the heat off, we don't need it no more. So your potato waffle is done. Let's take that out. Doesn't that look fantastic? Look at that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start another one. Right here. One for me, one for Kevin. So let's get this in there. There we are. And let's get the egg ready, along with preparing it. So we've got the potato waffle here, and that looks fantastic. And look how crispy that is. All right. Put on my sea salt a little bit, some pepper. I like sour cream, as I stated, so I'm only going to put a dollop of sour cream on my potato waffle with the egg. Put it on like that, just like so. And I think we're ready to eat. That look wonderful. Look at that. Just like a regular waffle, but made with potato. Put a little egg on that. And let's try it. I make these quite often. I invite you to try this if you have not. Very, very good. The flavor of the waffle with all them spices. Then I put the egg on there. It's wonderful. Now what's great also, we use these waffles for dinner also. Whenever we have chicken, pork, beef, vegetables, whatever it is we're having for dinner, we also use mashed potatoes and use them as a waffle for dinner. I even put gravy on them. They're wonderful. You give it a try. Give me a thumbs up. Share my video if you like it. Tell me what you think. Leave me your comments. And I hope you try it and let me know what you think. So again, I thank you for coming along. Don't forget to subscribe. Shop with Brett. That's me. Till next time. Ciao.